welcome to my first video. My name is Jonah, and for today's video is I'm going to clean my fridge, and I don't know when was the last time I cleaned it. So today we're going to clean and organize it and throw the sauces that's been expired. I think I have some that has been like it's been there for like since 2019, and I don't know why I'm not throwing it away. I guess I just keep forgetting them to throw it away. So today I'm doing that, and then later on I'm going to um, show you the groceries that I ordered from Walmart. I'm going to pick them up later after I clean this fridge. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. So over here, I'm trying to scrub the glass, and I'm using a water with a little bit of Dawn dish soap, and I'm just wiping it with the cloth. How funny, because I found these chicken nuggets from McDonald's. My son tried to keep them because he said that he can sell it to eBay for I don't know how much, because it looks like Among Us, if you know what Among Us is. So yeah, it's funny. It's been there for like months, but I have to throw it away. Finding beers in this fridge. I don't even know why we have it, and I don't drink because I have Crohn's disease, and my husband doesn't drink anymore. I drink oat milk because I can't drink any dairy milks or any regular milks because of my Crohn's, so I only drink oat milk and I mix it with my tea. I'm not using any spray to clean the fridge. I'm just using a water with a little bit of Dawn dish soap and then scrubbing it, and then after that I clean it with a wet towel. So if you recommend anything that you use in your fridge to clean, please comment below. I would appreciate it. Thank you. I just realized that this glass, I can take it off so I can remove the drawer easily. So I'm doing it now and then I'm gonna clean the inside. Wow, look at that, so dirty. And there's even a receipt. Tortilla. I guess I'm cooking Mexican food tonight because I don't know. I think I bought that tortilla like a month ago, and it's still good. It's not expired, but a lot of vegetables are not good anymore, so I'm throwing it. So glad that my fridge is finally clean and organized. I know it looks empty, but I'm going to pick up the groceries later at Walmart that I ordered last night. And so that's it for today. Thank you for watching my very first video, and hopefully you like it. And I'll see you on my next video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you again.